Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. I am filming this vlog just after my Winter Gardens Open Day vlog. So I just thought I'd come on to Tower Headland just to show you what is around and what is left from Christmas by the Sea. I've just been to Primark and H&V just to get a couple of bits as well. But yeah, I'm gonna sort of do like some music over this clip because it is quite windy at the moment, so we'll just have a bit of a look around the Tower Headland, see what's left and see what sort of needs to clean up. But I won't go any further because it's really windy, so we'll stick around this area. I was thinking about sort of vlogging around the town centre, but it's just far too windy because we're in a bit of a storm at the moment. So it's quite pleasant today as well because there's hardly anyone around. So yeah, let's go and have a look around, shall we? See what's left over, and then yeah, just go have a bit of a nosy. It's quite cold. Yeah, we do have the whole headland to myself. I'm just sheltering under these trees because it is starting to spit. I'm not sure if it's the sea. I think it is the sea because we'll go and have a look at that in a minute because it's quite rough. But I've got the headland to myself, like literally. I've got to be careful though because in this bag I've got a new ceramic plant for my desk, so I need to be careful not to bang it. But yeah, let's go and have a look. Continue to have a look around, shall we? because I don't want to bang this bag anymore. I've got candles in it as well. Look at this. She's really rough there. Whoa. Crikey. Yeah, that's really rough. We've got the tower behind me. That's actually not a bad thumbnail photo actually. I might take a photo of that. But yeah, I've really got to be careful with this bag because I've got candles in it and stuff. I don't want it to break. So I'm just gonna shelter here whilst I talk to you folks. One of these shutters have come off the cabins. Look. It's actually come off. We'll walk through actually. I got a little bit of better shelter around here. But I just wanted to film this quick vlog before I head home. So it's getting quite cold now. I do want to get home. So. Oh, so cold. Yeah, the headland's pretty much dead now. There's nothing really here anymore. There's a black cloud coming over, so I think I might scarp it because I've got a paper bag and I don't really want it to get wet. So yeah, I might come back into Blackpool when it's less windy and stuff, because the wind at the moment is really terrible. There we go. I have a bit of tree in the background, but I might come back when it's not windy at all. So yeah, just wanted to give you a bit of an update on what the headland's looking like. Obviously they've still got to get rid of this big unit here. So yeah, from here in Blackpool, I'm going to get myself to the bus stop and get myself home before it starts to chuck it down with rain, and that my bag doesn't get soaked. So yeah, one last look at the tower. My hat's starting to come off as well, so I need to sort that out. So thanks for watching, folks. If you like this video, give it a like for me. Let me know what you thought of it in the comments below. Yeah, I might come back here when this weather's sort of died down a bit and just film a bit of a nightlife Blackpool vlog. Because it's less windy and stuff. Hopefully it'll be less windy and stuff then. So yeah, take care, and I'll see you folks in my next video. One last look at the headland before we go.